Do you know 99% of entrepreneurs and marketers will fail to make money with AI and ChatGPT in 2023? Even though millions of entrepreneurs and marketers will try to use AI and ChatGPT, only the truly lucky ones will have breakthroughs, experience success, and even reach new heights with their businesses. But nearly everyone else will be left with no traffic, no sales, and no money in their pocket. You're being misguided. Millions of new players are entering the game of online marketing with AI. They're competing with you for traffic, sales, and commissions. Everyone is vying for the same space, a space that won't allow for everyone to succeed. Thus, the competition becomes even more fierce, even more unfair, even more unequal. Even before you know it, AI has taken over your online space, and you can be left standing in the dust, forgotten and unnoticed, unless you take action. But today, I have good news for you. I found a way to skip all the competition, all the hardships and struggles, and bank on a brand new top-secret hyper-effective way to generate traffic, commissions, and sales for your offers and business using AI. If you want to succeed in the era of AI, you have to act differently and smarter. Else you'll be butchered by the competition and even newbies who are already using cutting-edge AI. We took the most powerful and successful traffic strategy ever that's already working and generating us 100,000 visitors per month. We integrated it with the latest AI to make it 100 times faster, easier, and more powerful. And we made sure that there is simply no competition whatsoever in the market, because no one is doing this, maybe a handful, so you can have an absolute advantage. And today I'm going to show you how to tap into this new revolution and dominate AI and ChatGPT like no one else to actually make money. Hi, my name is Yogesh Agarwal, and I'm a computer geek who loves to solve complicated problems for marketers. And I'm grateful to be able to help over 150,000 marketers succeed with my simple software solutions in just the last 4 years. For the last 4 months, I've been searching for the answer to make money online using AI and ChatGPT, but nothing seemed to be working out for me. No matter how hard I tried, my Facebook ads flopped. No one saw my SEO attempts, and YouTube videos ended up with 0 views. It was then that I realized it wasn't because I was doing something wrong. It's because of the sheer competition and complexity of AI. Everyone is using AI to create stunning visuals and content that grabs attention, while bigger businesses have more resources, insights, and teams than ever before.